So today we are with Reyes, the entrepreneur, and he always gives fabulous advice on going out there and starting your own business and letting you see that you could go from the bottom and make it to the top.
Yeah. But Joe, I'm not at the top yet, you know? I'm working my way up there.
We're all working our way up.
There you go. So I wanted to share with you guys that maybe some motivation, hopefully inspire you to start your own business if you want, or at least just make some side money. That way, you're not dependent on just one source of income. Because I don't know if you heard, if you only have one source of income, you're one step away from the struggle. Man, nobody likes to struggle. So the first thing I want to say is, first of all, hopefully you have a job. To start a business, you need income. So hopefully you have a day job. If you don't have a day job, go get a part-time job. And I know it sucks. I've worked at Burger King, McDonald's, Taco Bell. I've gotten fired from everywhere. But I use that money to fund my investments, my businesses. Now, let's say you do have a job and you want to start a business. The next step is do research. What business do you want to do? And there's so many. Like, for example, trash hauling. I've done t-shirts, vending machines, sold on eBay, so many things. And I know you're wondering, but Reyes, what business should I start? The only way you'll ever find out is by trying different things. Try a vending machine business. Try a computer fitting business, a phone repair business, whatever you're interested in. Try it out, see if you enjoy it, and see if you're making money. Now, let's say you do have a side hustle. You are making some money, but you still have the day job. Hey, I was working at AM PM. I've had over 30 jobs. I worked everywhere. I can't even apply at places anymore. They're not gonna hire me. But I used to work at AM PM, and I was doing YouTube on the side. But I finally was able to quit AM PM when YouTube started making money. So this is what I tell people. Quit your job when your side hustle becomes your main hustle and you're making money to at least pay your bills. Hey, you're gonna eat top ramen and peanut butter sandwiches all day, but that's what you have to do. Once you have that momentum in business, go hard. And here's the hardest part. Sticking with the business. We're all gonna go through the struggle where we might not have as much business as we want, or we're gonna have a couple months where we might lose money, but you need to stick through it and tough it out. But always give that great customer service, give a great product or service, and hopefully you're enjoying your hustle. Because if you do what you love, the money will follow. And those are my quick tips for anybody that wants to start a side business and hopefully make it into a full-time income.
So where can they find you at?
You can find me at Reyes the Entrepreneur on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Snapchat, MySpace, everywhere. Go give me a follow if you want more free 99 knowledge, as I call it.
So Reyes is 100% correct. And there's two kinds of people. You have ones that work for others and ones that have others working for them.
So you gotta take chances. And I used to be that guy that worked for someone else and I hated it. I was working at a grocery store. I wasn't making no money. I was getting that measly $500 a week paycheck. I wasn't able to get ahead in life. But you know what I did? I started my own side hustle doing junk removal, working 2 jobs at the same time, and now life is good. Now you gotta sacrifice a lot. I know when I started my own business, I was working so many damn hours, but you gotta do what you gotta do so you can leave your other job and live that good life. I mean, I was working 16-hour days, getting off work. I was out there hauling, doing side jobs, driving, so damn tired, but I put all my money away. And at the end of the day, it was all worth it.
Yes, so you have to make plans. You have to make plans and have goals, because a plan without a goal is just a dream.
Now you gotta take chances. It's gonna be so scary if you're working a job right now and you're doing your little side hustle and you got that money coming in, but you don't want to quit your main job because maybe you got benefits, your parents are telling you don't do it. I'm going to tell you like this. When I quit my main job, after I was making all that money doing my side hustle, It was the best feeling ever to get that damn freedom, and I never look back. I walk in the store now where I used to work at a grocery store. I see those people I used to work with, and they're miserable. But I'm over here happy. I got money in the bank. Me and the JoJo are going anywhere we want to go. We're not stressing. It's the best freedom ever is working for yourself.
Yeah, and that's the key word right there when you say freedom, because that's the #1 reason why you want to work for yourself. Freedom.
Now I'm gonna tell you like this, you ain't gonna make over $100 an hour or have $1,000 days working at places like this. Let me show you guys real quick. We're in a parking lot right now, and it don't matter if you work over here at this Lucky's, ain't no one making $100 an hour over there. Or at Ross, they ain't making no $100 an hour. We got Carl's Jr. over here. The only way to really get ahead in life, unless you're a doctor or a lawyer, is starting your own business. Ain't that right, JoJo?
That is 100% correct.
I mean, we made $3,000 yesterday. Today we made $1,000 before noon. So starting your own business is the best thing in the world. So hopefully you guys like this video.
So hit the like and subscribe button and check out our other videos, and you'll see how we started making 6 figures in 1 year.